Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good solid day, higher highs and higher lows. Now, depending on your perspective, maybe you disagree, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then, yeah, from that point of view, a disappointing bad day because the price totally pulled back. However, assuming you do care about things from the big picture point of view, the price did still put in a higher high. And the key thing here is that when it pulled back, look right where it found support. And this will mean a little bit more to those that watched the past videos I've done. But right there at $19.50, which is that area of support I talked about. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook. Beautiful example of a pullback, finding support, and then starting to slowly work its way back upwards. So from an overall trend building perspective, everything is still perfectly fine. And I'm just trying to emphasize overall, because again, I understand that if you're a day trader and you bought right there, then you're going to have a little different perspective than somebody else's. So I am making these comments based on somebody that just cares about the big picture and the overall trend. And overall trends are built with higher highs and higher lows. And another way you could look at the trend, as I've talked about in past videos, is just continue to watch that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher. And as long as the price remains above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what has been represented. As far as levels of resistance, just keep a close eye on $20.30 up there. That'll be the next key battleground to watch moving forward. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows, that is by far what matters most. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.